You're tuning in to the Investors of Change with your hosts Riz Fizz and the Big Lebowski. For more insights on content similar to this video, feel free to subscribe on YouTube or follow on Twitter. The views on this video are opinions shared and not investment advice. Remember to do your own due diligence.
Hi, Adam. Good to talk to you again.
Hey, Jacob. Nice to hear from you, and looking forward to chatting again about the Goodfood app.
Yeah, cool. I was actually thinking, we've been discussing the app a little bit back and forth, and we see that there's a big audience out there that's interested in the app and to learning more about how a good food order process is all about. Adam, so what about if we did like a video where I placed an order on your behalf, hacked your Goodfood account, and you received the food? How does that sound?
Yeah, that sounds awesome. I'm excited to see what you choose, and luckily I'm pretty open to eating anything, so I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, so basically like a big tomahawk steak, some macarons, and some of your favorite strawberry swirl ice cream. Would that be a way to go about it, or what do you think?
Oh, that sounds really good. Yeah, I mean, maybe two of the tomahawk steaks. One for me, one for my dog.
Cool, and of course some kombucha tea to smoothen the whole experience afterwards.
Yeah, for sure. Too
Okay,
bad they don't
cool.
have beer in Ontario.
Yeah, cool, Adam. So basically, what we're going to do for this video is that I will get your credentials for your Goodfood app account, and I will go in and place an order this Sunday. Right now, we're recording on a Friday, and then we will follow you how you follow your order from that point on, and when you receive your food, right?
Yeah, I'll do an unboxing and kind of showcase what you picked. And yeah, looking forward to seeing what my groceries are going to be next week.
Cool, Adam. Super. So have a great weekend, and talk to you once you receive your order.
Yeah, thank you. You too.
Bye.
Bye.
So now we're back. It's Sunday evening. It's 11:15 Central European time here in Denmark, so it's beginning to become quite late. In Toronto, this would be local time 5:15 on Sunday PM. That is. Recording now without Adam, because as we talked about on Friday, we received the credentials for Adam's Goodfood account, and we're going to use that to take a look on the assortment of Goodfood, primarily the groceries part, and going to place a blind order on the behalf of Adam, which he's going to receive tomorrow by 8 p.m. on Monday, and where Adam is going to follow up on this video and give us a great review of the items we're going to pick for him. But let's have a look. What we basically are doing today is we're not placing the order on the desktop version. We have logged into to the app, which is a quite new release here when we are talking mid-June 2021. The app is approximately 14 days old on the iOS and Google Play Store. And we just chose to place the order here. This is not an actual review of the actual app itself, but this is just we can see that there's quite a lot of interest in how the app functions, how it looks like. So we thought we would just go ahead and place the order directly inside the Goodfood app. But when I'm looking through here, I'm going to try to pick some different variety of items to have a look at how the process looks like, how the UX of the experience is, of the order process experience. I've literally never before logged into these apps, so this is everything here is live and first take for me and basically completely new. I'm not going to do a one-to-one shopping experience like I would do on at home with my wife and two kids. So I'm not going to go through an entire huge basket that I'm going to put together, but trying to put it together a few items that makes sense for us to have enough go at the app. But let's go ahead and look at it, and I will try to keep this part on the brief side. So here we have on the menu, we have a lot of the meal kits, as we see here. If you're interested in seeing more specifically about these items, please go ahead and find another video that Adam and I made mid-May regarding the assortment and Goodfood. But we will directly go into the grocery part. Let's have a look here and see what we should select. I would say definitely we need some dairy when we're beginning the start of the week. What hits me right away is that there's no, as far as I can see, search bar in the app itself. So it seems that it's all scroll-based and category-based. But let's have a look at, there we go, some partly skimmed milk. That would be great for Adam. There we go, just adding that to the basket. And let's maybe have a look at, I right away saw this flash sale. Perhaps there's something interesting in here. Ooh, orange juice without the pulp. Let's have a look at that. 2 words, OJ, perfect. That's it, that's all it is. And what really is super cool to have a look at in the app here is, like we talked about before, the presentations of each item is just so in brand consistent with the visual appearance that Goodfood and the positioning it takes on. The grocery part about Goodfood, I can talk briefly about this while I'm just browsing the categories for something interesting to put in the basket, is that this is the area where Goodfood is coming out of a meal kit, traditional meal kit business, and is really growing aggressively into the online groceries part. This is the part where the CEO Ferrari has mentioned before on investor relation calls that the original target was to have 1,000 SKUs at the end of 2021. They had approximately 750 at the Q2 presentations earlier this year. And this is the part where they're growing so rapidly currently that they most likely will outpace the 1,000, and this will bring them much closer to this 4,000 SKU long-term target that they are aiming for on online groceries. Well, online groceries is really going to be one of the big growth drivers for the company, and not as much the meal kit business as it is today. Here we go, carrot cookies. Do good, be delicious. Carrot cookies seems like a steal. 0 waste, maximum taste. There we go. And what I was also thinking about is that we definitely need something that needs refrigeration, either some sort of meat or something in this area. This looks great. Now this is the season for a good BBQ pulled pork. Let's go ahead and add that to the grocery list. Hope Adam finds some sort of pleasure in these items, him and his girlfriend. And even though I'm trying to do quite a quick walk around on this looks also great. Salmon bites, and this is a frozen item, so that's cool. Let's try a frozen item here as well. So we've got a frozen item, and we definitely got some refrigerated items with the milk and the pulled pork. And actually what I would say we were missing, when I look at the basket, we were missing some fresh produce. Right now we've got a subtotal of 25 Canadian dollars minus the credits, which is the discounts on the items, which gave us an order of 17. Let's go ahead and look at the fresh produce. I know Adam recently got a Peloton bike, so he definitely signaling that he's on the healthy side. Let's go ahead and add some avocados for him as well to start off the week. By the way, Adam is both a meal kit subscriber to the Goodfood app as a customer, and he's also a Goodfood Wow customer. What that basically means is that if we go into his deliveries here, here we go. Here we see his meal kit deliveries, the ones that are planned for June and July and so on, what he's going to have there unless he changes that. And besides that, Adam is on a subscription for Goodfood Wow, where he, for an amount of $9.99 Canadian dollars monthly, can order as many times as he wants of the online groceries. He can have them delivered standalone like we're doing right now on this order. And there's actually no minimum order amount for this. So this is also why I'm actually not trying to ruin completely Adam's monthly food budget by adding everything, one of each. So I'm being a little bit more selective, as there's no minimum order, which is fantastic. And just maybe add something. Oh, did I add some fresh produce? No, I forgot to do that. Let me go back. There we go. Oh, I added the avocados, that's right. And let's also add some Granny Smith apples. This really takes me back to my, rating the app, I don't think right now. There we go. Going back to my days as a worker within fruits and vegetables at the local supermarket. And I think this is quite good. We just spent around 8 minutes walking around in the app. It seems like a great user interface, really, really simple, really, really easy to navigate in. The search bar would definitely help me when I was, as you could hear, targeting specifically milk, for instance. But let's go ahead and make the checkout. There we go. This is our order summary. And let's hope that Adam will find this intriguing for a total of 26 Canadian dollars, what we put in to our basket, which was basically the pulled pork, the skimmed milk, the carrot cookies, the Granny Smith apples, the avocados, the orange juice, and the maple chipotle salmon bites. Let's go ahead to checkout. There we go. Now delivery is going to be tomorrow, because if we have basically Goodfood Wow, as you probably have heard about, has same day delivery. If we would have placed this order prior to 11:30 a.m. today, then the order would also have been processed today by 8 p.m. in the evening. But since we are past that point, this is going to be for tomorrow, and that's also great. I think that's also what Adam is expecting, so that's good. There we go. Order placed. Hooray. And let's bring the ball over in Adam's court, and let's see how his experience is with tracking the order and receiving the actual goods.
Okay, I just got a text from Goodfood that says my order is on its way. I'm looking forward to seeing what Jacob ordered. This is how customers track their delivery time, and usually it would show the vehicle location as well. And the order has arrived on time at around 4:20 in the afternoon, so just in time for dinner. As you can see, it came delivered in a Goodfood branded truck. So let's go inside and open it up, see what we got. Cool. So we just got a few bags from Goodfood. I have no idea what's inside of these, but I'm sure that Jacob did a good job of picking. So we'll start off with the frozen bag. So let's see what's inside of here. Gotta be careful because I think it's dry ice. Interesting. Oh, cool. So we got some maple chipotle salmon bites. They're kind of like meatballs, and they have like a glaze on them. I've had these before. Really good. Awesome. Great choice. And then let's see what is inside of the paper bags. So just a catalog. You can win $1,000 of Goodfood credit. I guess there's a promotion going on, so you collect some postcards. Very cool. Just some of the products that they have. What's on sale. Product of the month. Some pasta related items. Cool. Everything always looks really nice. And here's the meal kits. All right. There's some grocery items. Let's get to the groceries. These look really cool. So carrot cookies. Really interesting. I've never tried these before, so looking forward to that. I got a new postcard too. So here's one of the postcards. I got Travel with Your Taste Buds, Europe. Very cool. I have one already, which was for South America. So I'm 2 out of the 8 to get the $1,000, or I guess have a chance to get the $1,000. Some apples. Need something healthy, I guess, if I'm going to be eating cookies. Cool. Pulled pork. This one I have not tried yet. That's really cool. I love pulled pork, so That is exciting. Oh wow. Avocados, another item that I haven't ordered before, but I've had avocados. They're pretty nice actually. They look pretty big, and just feeling them, they look like they're not really soft, but they're not really hard either. So hopefully these will be ready in a couple days. Oh, orange juice. As you can see in the background, probably there's some champagne bottles. Maybe I'll have a mimosa this weekend. And then some milk. This is something that I order like every single time I order. I drink a lot of iced coffee, a lot of coffee. So that's it for the order. As you can see, yeah, there's quite a few things, and looking at some new things, and some other items that I've tried before as well. So really looking forward to it. And thank you, Jacob. What a surprise.